Hey everyone, it's Donna, and I'm so glad you're here. Today we're diving into something really special, creating your very own mindfulness kit. Life can get pretty hectic, right? It's easy to feel overwhelmed and stressed. That's why I wanted to share this project with you. This kit is all about creating a little oasis of peace and calm, a space just for you to unwind and recharge. First things first, let's find a home for all your mindfulness goodies, something that sparks joy when you see it. Let's get those thoughts flowing. A journal is like a conversation with yourself, a safe space to unleash your feelings. Engaging our senses can be incredibly grounding. Think calming scents, soothing sips, and the warm glow of candlelight. Chapter 4. Sometimes we need a little guidance to find that inner stillness. Chapter 5. Ever notice how holding something tangible can bring a sense of comfort? Chapter 6. Nature has this incredible way of calming our minds. Chapter 7. Digital mindfulness. Let's tap into the world of mindfulness apps and calming sounds. You know, those little tools that can make a big difference, from QR codes to mindfulness apps and even calming music playlists. There's so much out there to explore. So let's dive in and see how digital resources can enhance our mindfulness journey. Chapter 8. Infusing your personality. Now, for the personal touch, because mindfulness is about connecting with yourself. Chapter 9. Your mindfulness guide. Think of this as your roadmap to inner peace, a guide to navigate your mindfulness journey. Chapter 10. Exploring more. And hey, if you want to take it a step further, why not create a dedicated space? Outro, your journey to inner peace. And there you have it, your very own mindfulness kit, carefully curated to nourish your mind, body, and soul. Remember, mindfulness is a journey, not a destination. It's about those small moments, those little pauses we create to reconnect with ourselves amidst life's chaos. So go ahead, explore your kit, experiment, and discover what brings you a sense of peace.